So guys, welcome back to new video of this series. In this video, actually we are going to perform a calculation operation, okay? And that will be quite different. On the basis of this table, we will perform our calculation for GPA, okay? So, and for learning things in this video, you have many things like how to perform action on a table, how to take data from the cells, like that many operation we have. So here I will convert all these things to the separate file, okay? So if I change from there, then it will affect here. So here I have create one class struct. Actually struct is an defined data type, okay, like class. So here a plus, like that I will change with all. So it's done. And also add f59, and here also add f. So it's great. This is my grade point and this is my grade title. So I have both things into my struct. Now I will change all these things from here, okay? Grade title dot, sorry, it's grade title dot a, and like that I will change all the variable, okay? And I'm refactoring that, okay? Grade indicator. Nice. Now my second step is to take the grade point. So grade point, how we are taking? Same, inside the grade class I am creating one variable with type of float point. From here I will indicate model dot point. Here I will set the grade a point which we have taken into the struct inside utility class grade point dot a, and I will do this for all, okay? So it's done. So here I'm creating one function which will perform a calculation on the cells or the entire tables, because we have to collect the data from the cells, and after that we will perform the operation. We will gather all the details which is entered by user. So for that I need to create one function calculation, and this calculation function I will call from footer script, okay? And it's tab for calculation, tab for calculation equals, and from here I will call that function, okay, self dot calculation. So inside calculation function we will perform many operation, like this is the function, okay? I have created this function which is performing the operation for calculation for GPA. Here I have took uh, cells and I apply for loop. So let's see the result. Enter name, it's like 12th class, grade maths, hours 2A, and click on calculate. So here you can say point is coming 0. So I think there is some problem. Number of points is coming 0. Oh, we forgot to add the points, okay? So I will edit this function and I will rename this delegate. This is protocol which we have created into our last video, okay? So I'm refactoring that, like value selection delegate, and function also I'm editing. Here I will pass point one extra parameter. Okay, this is type of double. Great. Now inside value selection I need to pass point list index path dot row dot point. That's great. Now in same way, open calculation controller. Here add one more point, and this is the type of double. Okay, great. So list dot self dot index path required dot row equals point. So that's great. We was missing actually point. uh, it will remain same. Okay, so I hope it will work as expected. Now you can see the output. So guys, it's working as expected. Okay, in upcoming video we will continue with the next functionality of this table view or this calculation. Okay, we will add one footer view for that. So be continue and keep watching. Thank you so much.